Hey guys, it's Max. Today we are talking a little bit about my drone experience, but not all that nice a drone experience because I actually crashed it a few weeks ago. And I just wanted to talk a little bit about my experience with DJI Support and the DJI Care Refresh experience. So this is the DJI Care Refresh experience. I crashed my drone on December 22nd, made an entire video about it, and then decided not to share it because I was feeling a little bit downed by it, and I didn't feel like I wanted to share too much about that, but everything has kind of gone through now. And the next time you hear from me after this will probably be an unboxing video of this replacement that I'm getting because of this DJI Care Refresh. So I wanted to look through a few of my emails with them. So I first emailed, I first called them just the same day, I guess, that I crashed my drone. And I said, hey, so I crashed my drone and I have DJI Care Refresh, and so I'd like to know what I need to do to activate that and to get the replacement that I desire. And he said, okay, so send the drone to us at our plant, to our plant in California, and we'll repair it for you. And I'm like, which one is less expensive? And he was like, we don't really know yet. We have to analyze it first. And I'm like, okay, fine. So I send it in for repair, and they send me a quotation, and that was a while after I sent it in, and it's like 175 American dollars. And I think, okay, wait, hold on, that can't be right though. Because I spent $40 US buying a care package that gives you 2 replacements every year you have it, if you crash it. And so I emailed them and say, okay, hold on, this is not right. I'm not paying 250 Canadian dollars to repair something that I could just get a replacement for with this care plan that I have. And so, it's a conversation that we have, and he says, oh yes, oh my gosh, we're so sorry. We totally understand. We realize that this is this is a mistake, even though they'd already said, dear customer, we regret that the service is not covered by warranty based on the results of the damage assessment. Please find details below. Non-warranty. We will either repair it or replace it with a product that's new or equivalent to new in both performance and reliability after payment has been received. For more information, So, they basically say, oh my gosh, we're so sorry that we got this wrong. We can absolutely send you a new one for the replacement fee that I knew I would have to pay, and that's fine. And so, then they send me a survey. I'm not sure. So I just want to talk about what I got out of this. I feel that DJI is a really great company, and I think that their support is no different. I've contacted them numerous times about different shipment details and that kind of thing in this situation that we have, and they always write back really quickly, and they're just a great company to work with and to contact. So, like I said, the next time you hear from me, I will have this drone back in my life, which I'm not really looking forward to, but I believe I'm really going to enjoy it when I have it back. Thanks for watching. Press the subscribe button down below if you'd like to. Press the like button below if you liked this video. And comment below if you have any questions for me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.